What's up, you guys? It's your girl CurlyyKaee, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I get this cherry bomb hair color. So I'm pretty much just gonna start off with some boiling hot water. I don't think this is necessary. I don't think you necessarily have to do it, is what I'm saying. So anyways, I think you pretty much can, as long as the hair is blonde, I think it's going to pick up on the color. But anyways, as you can see, I'm taking my frontal, not my frontal, but my closure, and I'm just combing it out, getting all the kinks and stuff out of it, because you want to evenly distribute, make sure the color gets all in there. So now I'm taking some Gots to Be Glued spray, and I'm just going to spray my lace. Now this part is to ensure that you don't stain your lace. I learned this little technique from Slate by Jordan. Every time I do this method, I never stain my lace, and it has always worked for me. Don't forget that step, y'all. Okay, so next, right here, you see me going in with the Kiss Tintation Red Storm. I got this from my local beauty supply store. You really don't need that much. It's a semi-permanent hair color. So with that being said, you don't see me wearing any gloves because it's not going to stain my hands. I mean, even if it gets on my hands, I'm just going to wash it out. It won't stain your sink. So right here, I'm just stirring that product in. You want to make sure you stir it up, guys. I'm telling you, because if you don't stir it up, you don't want blotches of really, really dark red in some areas and lighter in the other. It's just going to look a hot mess. And that's what you'll get if you don't stir this product all the way. You're just going to pick up more hair color in other areas. Okay, you guys. Right here, I'm just dipping the closure into the hair dye. What you want to do when you do this, you probably want to do a patch test first. That's important simply because if you pull the hair out and it's not the color you want to be, then you're just screwed. Like, you mess your hair up. Which is why I say just do a patch test first. Take a piece of tissue, a paper towel, whatever you need to make sure that it's the color you want. Next, you're just going to see me pull the hair out. And I'm just ensuring that, you know, I didn't stain my lace. And like I said earlier, every time I do the Gots to Be Glued method, it always works out fine for me. Just make sure you guys are combing the hair out evenly, because you don't want blonde patches here, red patches here, and blonde patches here. It's so important, guys. Anyways, after you're done with this, I let the hair soak for about 3 minutes. And yeah, I'm going to come back to you guys with the finished results. And now it's time to rinse this out. You don't want to take a conditioner, a shampoo, or anything like that, because you're just going to strip this color right out. Like I said, it's a semi-permanent. Semi-permanent, which means the color will fade, rinse out. Even just rinsing it, it'll wash out. So try not to, don't condition it. Don't condition it. Don't shampoo it. Just don't. Now, I'm not saying you can't do it in the future when you take your hair out. If you're making a wig, I don't know. But yeah, if you're done with the hair and you're trying, especially if it's a wig, and you just took the wig out, of course you want to wash it, because you don't want to put a dirty wig or nothing like that back on your scalp. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope this video helped you guys. I hope you guys learned something. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. And we out.
You know I fuck with you the long way. I could put